Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, I'm talking to you, and I know exactly why you clicked on this video. You want to create free animated videos, right? But everywhere you go, it's either too complicated, too expensive, or no one actually shows you how it's done. It feels confusing. You're told you need premium tools, credits, or subscriptions. But guess what? I'm here to make it super simple. Today, I'm going to show you how to create amazing animated videos. And when I say totally free, I mean it. No login required, no credit card, no hidden charges, no watermarks, and no complicated software. This tool works online. It's super fast, beginner-friendly, and yes, it actually delivers quality results. So stay with me, watch till the end, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started and make your first animated video, the easy, fun, and 100% free way. In every video, I usually tell you about ChatGPT, but not this time. I'm not giving you any ChatGPT input today. All you need to do is paste a screenshot of the video, click once, and boom. The prompt is automatically ready. No typing, no effort, just upload, click, and let the magic begin, man. Now let's talk about a website called Vheer.com. And trust me, it's a magic website, man. Why do I call it magic? Because there's no login required, no credits needed, and no hidden charges. It's totally free. So why wouldn't I say it's a big Haha, sorry. I know it's my bad habit, but I can't help it. Once you open the site, you'll see tons of amazing tools like text to video image to image image to video image to prompt, my favorite, background remover and changer. And it works so well. Seriously, the background changer is next level. It's fast, clean, and super easy to use. And that's not even everything. There are so many more tools available. If I explained every single one, I'd probably need a 50-minute video. But don't worry. I'll walk you through some of the most important and powerful tools, step by step. So let's dive in and start exploring what makes Vheer.com so amazing. Now let's dive into the text-to-image section. Click on it, paste your prompt, and choose between fast mode or quality mode. Pro tip: use quality mode for full HD image generation. And don't worry, it's super quick. It takes just 30 seconds and then BOOM! You get high-quality, realistic images with no watermark, no logo, no limits. And yes, it's totally free. I've generated so many pictures already, all in full HD, super clean and zero effort. No time wasted, no restrictions. So tell me, what more could you want? It's free. I don't even know how many times I've said totally free, but seriously, it's totally free. Now let's try another amazing feature, image to image. Just select any image you want to transform. If you have a prompt, you can enter it, and if not, just click on Generate Automatic Prompt. It'll create a beautiful, smart prompt for you in seconds. Adjust the strength slider as needed, then click Generate, and bam, you'll be blown away by the results. I honestly thought I was dreaming when I saw the quality, but no, it's real. It's that good. Next, my favorite, image to video. Just upload any image you want to animate, and the AI will automatically generate a prompt. No effort needed. Set the quality to 60 FPS for smooth HD video, then click Generate. And after a short wait, BAM! Okay, sorry, I can't help it. This tool is mind-blowing. It creates stunning full HD videos, no watermark, no pixel problems, no credit or package required. I've generated many videos already, and I promise, you don't need to pay anything. No hidden fees. Just enjoy and keep creating more and more realistic HD animations. Now, let's check out the AI image to prompt feature. Upload any image, and in under a minute, it generates an impressive prompt that perfectly matches your photo. It's simple, smart, and super helpful, especially for creatives. Next is the background remover. And wow, this is a powerful tool. Upload any picture, choose the background color you want, click Remove Background, and boom, done. Your image is perfectly placed on your selected background in seconds. So smooth, so clean, so easy. Now for one of the most important tools, AI Background Changer. This is perfect if you're creating realistic, consistent character videos. Just select your image, choose the background you want to replace it with, and click Generate. And yes, one last time. Boom! I'm honestly tired of saying boom, but this website is just that good. And wait, there's more! You'll also find other helpful tools like Blur Background Online Compressor Tool, and so much more. So the real question is, why haven't you visited this website yet? It's fast, it's easy, and it's 100% free. If you're looking to create high-quality images, videos, and content without paying a single penny, this website is a total game changer. No login, no subscription, no credits, just click, create, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your friends. See you in the next one.